just making some lunch and wanted to show you what we're having today. I've shown you before how to clean your greens. I've got some spinach in here that I cleaned before. I put it in my salad spinner and get it nice and dry. Fold up a paper towel, put it in the bottom of the zipper bag, and this is going to catch any of the extra condensation and it will last longer in your refrigerator that way. So I'm having a spinach salad today with some peaches and red onions and cherry tomatoes and some toasted almonds. I'm using these kinds of peaches. You might have seen these already. I think in the States you call them donut peaches. Here they're called mountain peaches, Bergpfirsiche, so they're mountain peaches. They have a nice white flesh, as you can see here. I chopped these up already and I tossed it with a little bit of lemon juice and that stops it from discoloring. They're really, really super sweet and I almost feel like this should have points because it tastes so good. I've got some slivered up red onions. I cooked my almonds a little bit too long. I've got 2 tablespoons in here. It's 1 point for 1 tablespoon and I'm making a salad for 2 people. I've got some mixed cherry tomatoes and some onions. And I made up a dressing. This has black rice vinegar and Dijon mustard and nutritional yeast. So I'm going to get my salad here. There we go. I'm going to dress this with my dressing. There's 0 points for this salad dressing. It's just my own creation. I'll leave you the recipe below. I really like black rice vinegar. It really has a nice complex flavor to it and a sweetness too. It's beautiful. Just a real simple salad. And when you're toasting your almonds, just put them in a dry pan. They don't need any oil. Keep your eye on them because they can go bad really and burn really, really quickly, as you can see mine did. This is 2 peaches here. We both really like red onions. And then the tomatoes. So we can just graze on this. I just love the summertime for all the fresh fruits and vegetables we can get. It's a really good way to eat locally too. So, bon appetit. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.